Let's have a look. So, oh man, I can understand when I see the first time a guy wearing this thing and making these shadows. Oh man, better than a projector, to see in a projector. And now we have the XREAL glasses, so I will see what they're filming. That's the nice thing. People who doesn't have this thing is people who is living in the cave age. No way. Nice. Oh well, I was looking at a few unboxings already of this, and this looks very nice product. Look this. Looks like colors. So, oh wow, the box is already like wow, fantastic. Yes, it's the second generation, and they made this Pro version of the Air, because the difference between the normal Air 2 and the Pro is they came with a technology that like they put a screen all over on the glasses. Yes, it's a very nice case also, honestly. Very good one. So yes, and a little bit of the manuals. Well, nothing else. So okay, here we have the part of the nose holders. There's a large, a small, and I guess these are the yes, because it came with glasses. If you have prescription glasses, so you can have and wear them also. So it is coming here like as an extra on the actual glasses, and then what we have this product. So wow, nice. Have a very good product, and smell like a new car. Like wow, this is fantastic, amazing. This looks like very good quality product. Honestly, just a simple first view, you can see the difference when you see something that is very high quality. You can see here the speakers on the screens and everything. So honestly, yes, I'm just surprised of the things just outside of the box. Like yes, it's very good. So it's yes, this is just a cover lid. Okay, so this is just a cover lid. I don't need it right now, but here on the glasses itself, it have a plastic cover. So yes, we will take them, and then take here from this other side. Nice, crispy. So yes, honestly, they look fantastic, amazing. Let's have a look. So I'm feeling like have you seen the movie Day Live?
No, I don't recall, but ooh, that looks amazing.
Yes, you have to see that movie. It goes about sunglasses and a guy who has sunglasses and can see the reality in other reality actually. So yes, it's amazing. It's a very old movie, old school movie too. So it comes also with this cable. There is a normal USB-C to USB-C cable. So we can try it with my mobile because I have another mobile. So give me just 1 second. Wow, I can't describe what I see. I see the screen in front of my face. If I have the I can understand when I see the first time a guy wearing this thing and making these shadows. Oh man, people who doesn't have this thing is people who is living in the cave age. No way. I can't describe this. This is there is not a monitor, but it looks like so well. It's so perfect. Like I don't know. I have kind of the feeling of the 3D glasses that we have with the Sino. a little bit of that feeling on the borders when if you try to focus on very further on the left on the right side, you can see this blue or red color diffusion. But I guess it's part of the how this technology works because it's using the two POVs of your eyes. But it's fantastic. I have the Samsung Dex here, so wow. Yes, I'm oh man, this is so good. I can I yes. I don't have words for describe the crispy on the good that you can see this inside of this. It's so immersive.
Look, what are you seeing?
I see the monitor. Oh, Samsung Dex. Samsung Dex is a monitor. It's a computer. So when you plug wherever Samsung mobiles with a screen, you get a computer actually. And I could travel with the phone, that I could hold the pictures, and I could also work on the phone and upload things on YouTube and do everything from this phone because this will be my laptop, my computer will be the phone. It's so nice. It's so nice. It's better than a projector, to see a projector. This is way better, bro. This is way better than go to the cinema. First, the power bank. I will need it because without the power bank, you go mapping and you get on the first round of, I don't know, 50 maps, you get without battery. So then, as I'm telling you, I having the smart keyboard, they say on the smart mouse. So that's the thing for using. Actually, what I'm here looking is a screen of a computer, totally normal. So I'm in live streaming when I'm doing live streaming on Twitter. Maybe you see before. I'm live streaming my POV. So actually, I'm mapping with this phone where we are live streaming right now, and this one is doing the live streaming. So I actually show the POV of what I'm doing, like a video game. And now we will have the XREAL glasses, so I will see what they're filming. That's the nice thing. Because before I was not knowing what I was recording, totally blind because I can see here what I'm doing this and mapping and paying attention to everything what is happening outside and the surroundings with. Oh, this would be a very good thing for start to going very quickly.
That changes everything. So hey, XREAL, can you please make it available in Canada? Please.
Yes, please.
Okay, can you show us your action? Like pretend you're mapping in that room.
In the heart of London, the XREAL smart glasses are transforming the way I map. They enhance my focus on every detail, allowing me to see the city like never before. With real-time overlays, I can capture precise information effortlessly, fully immersed in my surroundings while I'm staying sharp and accurate. The XREAL glasses make me mapping more efficiently and dynamic, turning the city into my workspace.
We are on the right side of the story.
We are.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's map the world. Come on.
Okay.
Let's go.
Bye, everyone. Don't forget to
Bye.
like, share, comment, and follow me on wherever you're following me. Bye, Leas.
Bye.